Good morning, children. Welcome to our online classes. Without any delay, I am going to start the chapter 15 of science, that is some natural phenomena. Hope you have completed the previous chapter and you have understood all the concept of the chapter. So, let us begin the chapter number 15. In today's video, I am going to explain the chapter 15, that is some natural phenomena. So in this chapter we will discuss some important points like lightning, how we can create the charges, how many types of charges are there, the transfer of charges, a device by which we can detect the charges, earthing, story of lightning, safety means, earthquake, lightning conductors, etc. So first thing is that there are two kinds of charges, positive and negative. In the electricity chapter of the electricity, you also have learned that there are two kinds of charges, positive and negative. Similarly, lightning is the spark in the clouds. So we can see the lightning or the spark in the cloud because of the charged clouds. Okay, so this is the process of lightning, how the thing become charged. Now, so we can charge any object by rubbing. Okay, so by the rubbing we can make any object charged, we can convert any object charged. Okay, like when we do a comb, when we rub the plastic comb in our dry hair, then it acquires a small charge. Small charge. These objects are called charged object. Similarly, when you rub the plastic scale with the hair, then the scale become charged and it will attract the paper pieces or the pieces of the polythene. Okay, so that scale become charged because we have rubbed the scale. So by rubbing we have charged our scale. So this is the thing. Now, yes, of course, there are certain things like the electroscope. So this is the structure of electroscope, children, and in this electroscope, this is a simple device by which we can detect or by which we can test whether an object is having a charge or not. So this is the glass jar. Inside this there is a foil and the paper clip. So this is the paper clip, you can see the paper clip, and this is the foil. This cover, the lid is made by the hardboard, and there is a refill, plastic refill, which is rubbed, and that is why it is a charged refill. Okay, so this is the electroscope, a simple device. Now the next thing is the earthing. The process of transferring of charge from a charged object to the earth is called earthing. The process of transferring of charge. So when the charge, sometimes the earthing, we get the earthing when we touch the refrigerator, the door of the refrigerator barefoot, then we feel certain shock. We feel certain thing that the presence of electric current on the door. So this is due to the earthing. So because charges are transferred from the refrigerator to our body. Okay, so the process of transferring the charge from the charged object to the earth, this is called earthing. Okay, earthing is provided in buildings to protect us from electrical shocks due to any leakage of electrical current. So this earthing is provided in every building for the protection of the human beings or the person who are living in that area. Okay, the story of lightning, this is a very important thing. You can see that clouds, these are the clouds, and this is the soil, this is the structure. So see the clouds, these clouds are fully charged. They have a positive and negative charges, and these charges are settled in this way. Positive charges are settled at the upper side of the cloud, whereas the negative charges are settled down at the lower side of the cloud. Now, because these settlement of the charges actually occur due to the flow of the air. You know that air is what? Air is a bad conductor. Okay, and air is a lighter in weight, so the air moves in the upward direction while the water droplets of the cloud moves in the downward. So this vigorous movement causes this movement of the water and air, water droplets and air, is the reason of the separation of the charges. Why the charges are appeared in this way? Because of the movement of the air and water droplets. Okay. Now charges collect near the upper edge of the clouds and negative charges accumulate near the lower edge of the cloud. Okay, there is a accumulation. Accumulation means collection. Accumulation of positive charges in the ground area also. Okay. When the magnitude of the accumulated charges become very large, the amount of the charges, these accumulated charges, when become larger in the amount, the air, which is normally a poor conductor of electricity, is not able to resist their flow. So negative and positive charges meet, and when they meet, they'll produce a streak of bright light. They will produce a streak of bright light and sound also. This streak of light is visible in the form of sparks. Okay, that is the process called an electric discharge. This is the electric discharge. Okay, so this is the thing. Now you know that the lightning conductor. Yes, see the picture. Here the building is, and there is a iron metallic rod which is inserted in the building. So lightning conductor is what? It is a device used to protect a building from the effect of lightning. There is a metallic rod taller than the building. The height of the rod is more than the height of the building. Okay, it is installed or inserted in the walls of the building during the construction time. One end of the rod is kept out. One portion is outside of the building in the air, and other is inside the ground, under the ground. Okay, the rod provide easy route for the transfer of electric charge from the sky to the ground, Okay, so this is the thing by which the building is protected from the electric discharge or from the lightning. Okay, so this is for today, children. I hope you all have understood. So thank you for watching this video.